Blackbird is a wind-powered car that was built around 2010 by Rick Cavallero and John Borton. It ran faster than the wind, both downwind and upwind. Recently, YouTube channel Veritasium posted videos showing Blackbird running downwind 3 times faster than the pushing wind.
This is amazing. Here we recaps Veritasium's presentation and introduce counterintuitive riddles raised by Blackbird's performance. The other videos in this playlist address various aspects of Blackbird's motion and those riddles. Let us start by Veritasium's demonstration. The picture on the left shows Blackbird at the starting point. The picture on the right shows it at the end of the trial. A telltale was connected to the front of the car. The direction of the telltale indicates the direction of the wind as felt by the driver of the car. When the car is moving downwind slower than the wind appears to the driver as coming from his back. When the car is moving faster than the wind appears to the driver as coming to his face, from the front of the car. In the left picture, the telltale indicates that the wind is blowing from the back of the car. In the right picture, the telltale indicates that the wind is blowing from the front of the car. The wind sack that the person holds indicates that the wind on the ground, a few feet away from the car, was blowing from the back of the car. Those observations suggest that during the trial, the car was moving downwind. At the beginning, it moved slower than the wind, and at the end, it moved faster than the wind. Here are some of the riddles that the counterintuitive behavior of Blackbird raises. Those riddles are addressed by the videos in this playlist. It is striking how the cross-section of Blackbird's propeller is small when compared to the size of the sail of any sailboat of a comparable size. Still, this slim, non-spinning propeller can use the available weak wind force to move the relatively heavy Blackbird from rest, both upwind and downwind. The first riddle is, how can a resting propeller use a weak wind force to move a heavy car from rest, both upwind and downwind? Wind forces have many counterintuitive features. We'll describe lift and drag forces, apparent wind, and sailing against the wind, and show how they affect Blackbird's motion. As Blackbird was accelerating downwind, the apparent wind on it dwindled. Yet, it was accelerating, even when the wind dwindled to zero. Which force accelerated Blackbird as the wind was dwindling? The propeller and rear wheels of Blackbird are connected by a link chain. Does the propeller turn the wheels, or do the wheels turn the propeller? Does the friction force between the wheels and the ground act as an energy source?